And then I think the last question that we have is about Planners Who Profit Live as well. What kind of activities will be there? What materials will be provided? And will it be recorded? Okay, so activities, there'll definitely be like networking breaks. You will have a one-on-one session with one of our coaches, one of our PWP coaches, who will, so you have like a power like impact session with them. You will get a guided workbook and a few other goodies, but the workbook is like the best part because, if you've ever attended an event, you take a bunch of notes and you leave and you're like, wait, which session was this from? Like, what's this about? Having a guided workbook helps you to stay focused and helps you to be able to always reference the information and use it in the future. So that's a big part of it. Snacks will be provided. So we'll have like lots of like coffee breaks and stuff. Again, it's at a hotel. So the same kind of, those sorts of breaks from a hotel will be provided. We're finalizing the menu soon, but I'm excited about those shamelessly. And also, will it be recorded? Yes, Planners Who Profit Live will be recorded. Because it's being live streamed, we're also just going to record the whole thing. For those who attend Planners Who Profit Live, you'll have access to watch the replay of anything for about 2 weeks. And we also add the replay of all of our live events to the vault for those who are in our program. So those who are, I know a couple people, or one person on the call is in the program, so you can always go back and reference that as well. So I think that may actually cover all the questions. I see Charlene says, thank you, I look forward to attending. Yes, I know you're already registered, so I'm so excited to see you there.